Hello everyone, welcome to Lulicon. Today we have Jungle Sounds, a new book for you from Usborne. You can switch it on and off. Let's see how it starts. You can see the animals in the jungle and hear the sounds. These are really pleasant sounds. The rain. A baby elephant and his daddy splashing around. This is my kid's favorite. And we reach the end where we meet the orangutan and the leopard. The details are really nice. We enjoyed this book. I hope you will too. If you have a suggestion for us for a game or a book you want to see presented, leave the name in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.